Hello guys, and welcome back again to this tutorial of the complete JavaFX series. In this series I'm going to be explaining everything about JavaFX. I mean, from the beginning to so that we may understand everything, then how JavaFX works. And I'm going to be doing everything in this course. And I have created some slides for you here, guys, and it's JavaFX simplified basically. So let's start. So this is a JavaFX simplified course. It's a full course for JavaFX, and so let's move forward. So what we shall learn in this course, of course, we shall start with the basic, that is the environmental setup, and then we're going to the basic of basic JavaFX program. And the JavaFX program structure, I shall explain that in detail. After that, I'm going to introduce you into the JavaFX controls step by step, including in code. Then I'm going to go to advanced JavaFX programs with DB. I'm going to go to complex designs with JavaFX. So who is this course for? This course is for any new developer who is coming into JavaFX and thinks JavaFX is a better framework, especially when it comes to the creation of GUI and all that. So this is the course for you, okay? And the assumption is very simple. We are assuming that you at least understand the basic of Java programming language. So let's see.